Namaste everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. So today we're going to be doing abdominal breathing, and in the next few videos we're going to be doing thoracic breathing and shoulder breathing, and eventually we're gonna do yogic breathing. So all of these steps are towards the yogic breathing. So abdominal breathing is practiced to activate and enhance the diaphragm. So the abdominal breathing is the most efficient and natural way of breathing technique for us, but sometimes because of the tension and poor posture and our clothes are maybe too tight, so sometimes we don't really get a chance to breathe into our abdomen. So once we actually learn on how to do the abdominal breathing, we can actually restore our physical and mental well-being. So now let's jump on to the practice. There are some things to note before we start. So make sure that you haven't been drinking water for the past 20 to 30 minutes. Make sure that you are in a well-ventilated room with some sunlight coming into your room if that's possible. Also make sure that you haven't been eating anything, so your stomach is completely clean and ready for your practice. Also make sure that you are not feeling sick or ill. There are some modifications to that. If you are about to have a flu or something like that, you can lay down on your back and continue with the practice. So abdominal breathing is when we are only moving our belly. So that means we are only letting the air to come inside our belly and coming outside of the belly. So I mean that our whole abdominal region is moving. So that means we're not moving our shoulders are not going up. So we're only focusing on the abdomen. So let me just demonstrate what I mean by the abdominal breathing. We're going to breathe 5 seconds in and 5 seconds out. So we're not going to be holding our breath at any point. So we're just going to do a slow breathing, 5 seconds in and 5 seconds out. So this is just a demonstration. So you can place your palm on your belly and you're going to exhale. And now you're going to inhale 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what happens now is that we're going to exhale 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me demonstrate you from the side of how it looks like. So now my belly is as it is normally. So now I'm just going to exhale a little bit. So I'm inhaling 5 seconds in. And exhaling. So as you can see, my belly is just moving more out and then in. So that's what we're going to do today. So you can sit comfortably on your mat or on a chair. That's more comfortable for you. You can have a support on your buttocks, but make sure that you are not leaning on the wall or leaning too much on the chair. So make sure that your spine is straight, your shoulders, you can roll them out a little bit. So let's start with the practice. How we're going to start is you're going to inhale. You can place your palm on the belly as well. So you're going to inhale and exhale. Now let's do 5 seconds in inhalation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's do it again. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it one more time. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Now what we can do is we can continue by ourselves. You can start whenever you want. If you wish, you can keep your eyes closed. And you can relax after you've exhaled. Now we're going to 10 seconds in and 10 seconds out. What we can do is when we inhale 10 seconds in and exhale 10 seconds out, we can have a few second pause and then we can continue with the practice. So we can do one inhalation and exhalation together, and then we're going to continue by ourselves. So take a deep breath in and exhale. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's continue by ourselves. Now you can relax. So this practice should be done daily before your asana practice, and it could go from 7 to 10 minutes. This is a very nice practice to breathe only only in the abdominal region. So when we do some asanas, when it requires us to breathe into our abdomen. So now by doing this practice, we also know how to breathe into our abdomen while practicing some asanas. So in the next video, we're going to be doing thoracic breathing. So we're going to be opening our shoulders and we're going to be breathing in thoracic area. So thank you so much for joining me today, and please like and subscribe so you don't miss the second video. Namaste everyone.